All right, Peter Jello coming to you live. Here we are. It's a custom floor, Buffalo Bills style, and this was a 3 different colors, just the same colors that they use in the Buffalo Bills helmet. We put into the floor, and this came out wonderful. We're here at in Miramar, Florida, and this is Ricardo's masterpiece. This is going to be there's more to come here. There's going to be a tiki hut, and this is the ultimate man cave for people who like that type of thing, like myself. You know, Sundays, buffalo wings, and football, and it's kind of happy days for me. I kind of get like this perma smile, this grin, because I know if this was a New York Giants or us. So speaking of that, we can do this for anybody who is an NFL football fan. We will be sending this over to the NFL.com as well. You know, we can install these floors for you with your favorite team and favorite emblem, and looking forward to it. And I'm going to take this from you here, Ricky, and you're going to tell us a little bit more. So I got Ricardo here, and he's going to just tell us, you've been a Buffalo Bills fan for a long time, right?
Bills fan since I was 5 years old, and I wanted something nice to represent the Bills Mafia. You know, only Bill fan pretty much in Miami left here, so I wanted to show something to represent.
Yeah, that's right. We're in Miami, and we're doing the Buffalo Bills thing.
They made this beautiful floor, and now this is every Sunday. I'll be watching the football, and hopefully we win a Super Bowl. Right
yeah,
here. I'll be
that's right. And they had a good team last year, yeah. And we were talking about on one of our previous videos about how we met, and you were flying out to was it New England or
Dallas?
The Dallas game, and they actually won that game, right?
Yes.
And that was great. So we're looking forward to the sports coming back, and we're looking forward to sharing these floors with everybody. And you know, I mean, if your favorite team, it doesn't just have to be football. We could do hockey, NHL. We could do baseball. You want a nice Yankee emblem? I know there's a lot of Yankee fans here in South Florida. We could put we can put the Yankee emblem in there, and you know, it's really nice. And I'm just going to go over this floor a little bit. It's the colors are piercing out. This was a dirty pour. There were 3 different epoxies in here, and it's amazing. And this isn't done yet. We still have it. There's a tiki hut that he's putting up, but this is going to be the ultimate man cave, and it's really something else. I'm really proud of our crew. You know, Chris Agello, Frank Agello, Lewis. I mean, these guys work so hard out here to do this, and I'm just so proud of them that we're doing this type of work. And you know, once or twice a year we do these. You know, we'll do these stencils and things like that. But now we're just turning it up. We found a nice way to put down the stickers, and you know, we go over them with the clear epoxy. We lock it in, you know, with the Rexethane for the exterior, and this is good. So anyway, that's going to be it, and we'll be in touch with everybody.
Sign
okay.
Finish, Bills Mafia, baby.
You got it. See ya.